my topic from Core Java, and my subject is Spring MSc in Java. So here comprehensive overview of Spring MSc. What is Spring MSc? Spring MSc model view controller in a Java framework for building web application. It's a part of the larger Spring framework ecosystem. So, what are the key components of MEC? Model repeats the data and business logic. View, handle user interface and presentation. Third one is a controller. Controller manage request, interact with model and update view. So, what are the actually Spring MSc architecture? So, Spring MSc architecture dispatcher servlet receives incoming request and uh, debates to controller. So, controller handle request, call services and return models. Three service encapsulates business logic and interact with repositories. Repository, abstract data, access and storage. View resolver resolves views based on controller responses. Spring MVC workflow. Then the first one is a request. Dispatcher servlet, dispatch servlet controller. Third one is that controller, service repository EPL. Fourth one is that service controller. Fifth, control model, view resolver. MVR, view resolver, view response back to client. Spring MSc annotation. What are the Spring MSc annotation? So at the rate controller marks class controller, at the rate request mapping maps URL controller methods. Third one is that at the rate get mapping, at the rate post mapping, etc. Convenience annotation for HTTP methods. Fourth one is at the rate model attribute, binds request data to model attribute. Fifth one is the at the rate path variable, injects URL path variable into controller methods. Sixth one is the at the rate request forum, injects request parameter into controller method. Then what are the actually Spring MVC feature? Spring MVC feature, dependency injection, simplifies component interactions, AOP, aspect-oriented programming, enable aspect-based programming, internationalization supports multiple languages and local. Security integrates with Spring Security for authentication and authorization. RESTful supports enable RESTful web services. Spring MVC benefits loose coupling, separates concern between components and reusability, insurance module, reusable code. Another flexibility support multiple view technologies or JSP, Timler, scalability handles image volumes of request, community, support large active community and extensive documentation. Spring MSc tools and integration. Spring Boot simplifies Spring MSc application setup. Spring Tool Site, STS, Eclipse, Space ID for Spring development. Maven and Gradle, build tools for dependency management. Theme Lift, template engine for HTML views, Journey and Bootstrap. Client-side libraries for enhancement. So what are the best practices? Separate concern, keep component, focus on specific responsibilities, use dependency injection, simplify, important interaction. Follow RESTful API, web services, use AOP, implement aspect-based programming, test thoroughly with comprehensive unit and integration test. Would you like the next specific Spring MVC annotation or feature? Integration Spring MVC with other framework or libraries. Spring MVC security and authentication. Then next we have all discussed detailed study about, and that's it today's topic. We discuss detail about what is actually a Spring MVC feature and what are the actually Spring MVC in Java and what are the uses and advantages of Spring MVC. We all detail in. Uh, so thank you.